What's up everyone? It is Jason Jani, and real quick, I want to talk to you about these Astera AX1 Pixel Tubes. They're like, by far, my favorite new light that I've incorporated into pretty much all of my events, as long as we have some type of lighting design. Now, a lot of people have hit me up and asked me how I'm using them and why I'm using them, and I think there's a couple things that I want to drill down on. First and foremost, I think these lights allow me the ability to get super creative with not only how my DJ booth looks, but the lighting effects that I can incorporate into my overall kind of lighting experience. The experience that I do when I'm working like I am right here tonight at this incredible wedding. We just sat people down for dinner, and essentially what I've done is I've dialed in my pixel tubes that I have set up around my DJ booth, and I've actually complemented kind of the lighting, kind of color of the room with a candle-like kind of effect to kind of brighten our DJ booth, but to chill out the room. So I think these lights are really cool because they allow you the ability to kind of customize and use them along with the moments of the night so that they fit perfectly. Now, these lights can't blow out an entire tremendous ballroom, whatever, but they can complement a dance floor of most sizes. If you're dealing with a room that can accommodate, I don't know, 150 or 200 people or less, I think that these lights absolutely kill. I think they add a really cool wash effect that goes a lot further than you could even imagine. Something that's the size of one of these things that only omit about less than 1,000 lumens in total. I mean, these lights are super dope. So another reason why I think they're really, really cool to use is because at different moments of the night, you can use these lights to kind of draw emphasis on the overall DJ booth. So not only can you impact the party, but you can kind of highlight what you're doing or maybe a special moment that's taking place that fits appropriately with the moment of the night or the milestone of the night or the kind of the part of the celebration that draws attention to where you are or right in front of you. These lights are incredible, and I am obsessed with them. I mean, you can use them on your phone, on an iPad, or on a computer. You can tie them into your lighting DMX software that you use, and a couple things. The control box, the Art7U, is actually not only a wireless kind of controller, but it's also battery powered. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. So while you're in the middle of a mix or while you're in the middle of kind of doing what you can do, you don't have to dig into your DMX software if you're someone that wants to use maybe your phone to control these lighting effects. I just think they add a lot of value for what they are, and they're really, really incredible. So we're using them as we would intelligent lights, except we kind of scale it to be appropriate with kind of the event or the setup or whatever. Tonight we have 4 of these lights here, but we often use them with 8 or even 16 of these lights around our DJ booth, around the head table, or even around the room. These lights, the Astera AX1 Pixel Tubes, they're an LED effect that are just so hot, they're so cool, and I hope this helped you out a little bit. Now, you can use the floor mount brackets, or tonight we're using them on, if you want to come over this way, we're using them on lighting stands with a bracket that I'll actually provide you in the description down below. So I'll actually link you not only the stands that I think are the best fit for these lights, I'll also hook you up with the brackets so that you can use them at your event, and you can put them at different heights and not use the floor mount kit that comes with these lights if you buy one of the 8-pack kits. Now, real also quick, I want to tell you about a really, really cool deal that I worked out with my good friends at AGI Pro DJ, who are able and willing to give you an incredible deal. And this is not endorsed by them, they're just good friends of mine, and I want to help them out because they're a small business just like I am, and they can actually help you get these lights if you're in search of them. Because if you go online, it's very limited as to getting these lights because the pricing almost doesn't exist anywhere. But these guys are official dealers, and they've worked out an incredible deal for my Jason Jani YouTube community. So In the description down below, I'll provide information on the lights. I'll give you a resource that you can go to get some lights, and I'll also provide you some information on the tools you need to use these lights at your upcoming events or celebrations. I hope this helped you out a little bit. These lights for the win, they are awesome. I'm obsessed with them, and they are just super, super, super cool. My name is Jani. I appreciate you guys checking out this video. Be on the lookout for more content dripping right here in the days, weeks, and months ahead. And if you're not supporting this channel, I'd love to invite you to do so with some sub love. So smash that sub love button and check back often for more content. My name is Jason. Thanks for watching. Peace.